This is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, guys and gals. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice, so let's jump into the content without any further delay. We're seeing that Bitcoin has now dropped below $20,000 again, and we can see that in the last 24 hours, we have seen that Bitcoin has absolutely dropped below $20,000 almost 43 times, guys. So, Bitcoin has crossed the 20K level 43 times in the last 24 hours, and what we're seeing right now is we're seeing that Bitcoin is doing it again. So this will be the 44th time today that we have seen a Bitcoin go below $20,000, guys and gals. So it's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. And as I said, in previous videos, we definitely need Bitcoin to get recover at least 50% of this downside wick here. And if we can do that, that will take us up to around about 20,600. So that's where we need to go from there. That's going to be around about it's around about 4 or 5%. But it looks like we got the purple rain line down around about 18,853. Don't be surprised if we collapse down to those levels. Don't forget, we did have our low did come in. Let me get rid of that out there. We do have our low that did come in around about this level here, which was around, took us down all the way down to around about 17,600, and that was around about 18th of June. So 18th of June was our low. So our bottom was around about here. So let me just paint that in for you out there. So this line here is absolutely our bottom, and that is our worst case scenario. I believe that the bottom is in, and I don't believe we're going to go that low again. And if we do, I think that the 17 this level here, the 17,600 is going to be holding as support. So that is what I think. Let's take a look at the heat map. And before we do that, guys and gals, don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it, guys. The last video was a great crypto crash. We talk about some of the three factors that have caused the crash. So go back and watch. You need to watch out there. So right now we're seeing, you guys don't know it, but my eyes are burning out with all of this redness out there. We're seeing Bitcoin is down. We're seeing Ethereum is down. So it's pretty much a bloodbath out there. So, but there are still some positive news out there. We're seeing Bitcoin, the research Bitcoin exchange outflows top $1 billion daily right now. So we are seeing more and more Bitcoin is actually flowing out from exchanges. So that is pretty good. So Bitcoin exchange net position change, falling sharp price declines due to Terra Luna scandal. The subsequent industry-wide deleveraging Bitcoin bottom on June 18th was around about 17,600. So that's absolutely the bottom, guys. The chart below shows a consistent exchange BTC outflows since bottoming, with daily outflows topping over $1 billion on average. And what that means is more and more Bitcoin is being taken off exchanges. It's being hodled like never before. So that is good, guys. That's absolutely good. And you can see that the position of long-term holders is increasing day by day as the paper hands get washed out, guys. But that is pretty good. We're also seeing that, FTX as well. We're seeing that a lot of Bitcoin is flowing out there. So FTX is also having a little bit of a supply shock out there because their BTC reserves are going down, down. But it seems that Ethereum is, basically we're seeing that Ethereum exchange net position in change has basically closed to net zero. So basically the amount of Ethereum flowing off exchange is about zero right now. And this development is a negative sign, especially as the merger approaches. It's just investors think that the switch to proof of stake is a buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's why we're seeing more Ethereum is slowly being pushed on to exchanges, because people are thinking that they're going to be selling out there. So hopefully, like I said, we could be seeing, buy the rumor, sell the news. We could see that, when the merge happens, we could see a bit of a daily tank when that happens. So looks like this is coming in from tech dev right now. It looks like a strong S&P 500's breath. From under 10% to over 90% in the last two Bitcoin impulses. So you can see here that when the S&P goes down to this red here, you can often see that this is the start of a Bitcoin pump, guys. So we're seeing it here. So looks like this could be the bottoming out here, and this could be a start of a Bitcoin pump, guys. So I hope he's right. We're not going to see any Bitcoin pumpage until at least Q1 next year. So Bitcoin clean business cycles, and you can see that when the share of long-term holders less than 1 year decreases, new retail investors buy in. So this is when the long-term holders decrease, then we have the new investors start to buy in. That cycle is already passed, guys. And 3, distribution is initiated. And 4, bear market weekends leave the market and long-term holders ratio begins to rise again. So we're around about here, right? And we've seen all the short-term holders have left the market. This is where we have the whole markdown. And then that's when we have the accumulation and the long-term holders forms a base. So we're seeing the long-term holders strength and conviction is still unchanged. And actually the conviction of long-term holders is still going uppity up, guys. So that is pretty cool out there. Looks like history is repeating itself. We go back to 2019. We did have a double bubble, double bottom in, and we are seeing that Bitcoin is rising again from this double bottom. So we're seeing, if you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, we are seeing that we have this double bottom pattern happening, and this could be indicative, absolutely indicative out there of Bitcoin could be repeating this pattern, and we could be seeing very much a bullish pump that's going to be happening soon. Don't expect anything too fantastical to happen until Q1 next year or the end of the year, guys. So don't get too excited out there. It's still going to be taking a while. Like I said, Bitcoin has crossed 20K level 43 times. Well, if you add the last 19K that just came in right now, 19,800 and some changey-wangey, that is a 44 time, guys. So we're seeing some jump out there. Looks like breaking news, Visa has launched a virtual Bitcoin card across Europe in partnership with NearPay. So that is pretty bullish, guys. Still a lot of bullish catalysts out there. This is from documenting Bitcoin out there. This is a chart of Bitcoin zoomed out using the average 4-year price. So what they've done is they've zoomed out and they've used the weekly chart and they've averaged the 4-year price, guys. So you can see that Wendy Trendy is absolutely your friendy out there. And you're seeing that the positive trend is up, guys. So that is positive. That is positive. So still a lot of bullish news out there. And we're seeing this is coming in again. We can see that Bitcoin has just hit the realized price, and the realized price is the average purchase price of all Bitcoin from the beginning of time till now, guys. So we just hit the realized price. So hopefully we'll get a nice bouncy bounce off from that point. I'm hoping just that Bitcoin has fallen under a $385 billion market cap. So that is not good. And also Bitcoin is down below the 200-day weekly moving average. So that is bearish out there. So we're seeing the bears are taking off, guys. Bears are in control. So I thought I'd repeat this, and we can see that we have these Elliott wave patterns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're seeing that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern is repeating itself. And if this does play out, guys, as it's supposed to, we could be seeing $80,000 Bitcoin coming in. But that's not going to be happening, guys, till Q1 next year, guys. So don't get too excited. Buckle up and wait for life-changing wealth. But we're going to have some pain. We're going to have some volatility out there. So you just got to DCA hodl and don't wet the bed, guys. Don't blow your loads too early. Boom. And don't panic sell, because that's what the newbies do. That's what the weak Nazis do. That's what the apozoids and the people with myopic vision when it comes to crypto do. They just continue to sell and panic sell, and they basically lose their shirts. Never leverage trade, guys. Absolutely never leverage trade. That is bad. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin is still breaking down. We did try to get above this support level, and that was around about 0.64. We did get rejected right now, and it looks like we are going down, down, and that is all in part due to Bitcoin's collapse, guys. So what we're seeing the weakness in the Dogecoin because Bitcoin is weak. That is all that's about, guys. So worst case scenario, I'm predicting 4 cent, absolutely worst case scenario, but we still got some good support at 6 cents, so that's still holding. We're not even close to that, so don't worry out there. We're seeing Shiba is also breaking down. We're around about 9.22% from back above our support line. We're seeing Ethereum out there is also just going sideways right now, and it's at 1469, not looking too good. And we need to get above our purple rain line at 1530 to have a confirmed, positive momentum out there. So it's not looking good. Crypto is looking like crazy crappy out there. So guys and gals, don't forget to secure your crypto on a hardware wallet. Remember, if you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto. So you guys could, lose your crypto, guys. Look at the Voyager, look at the Celsius out there. So guys, do go down and check out my Nano Ledger affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more to be safe and sleep well at night. It looks like the crypto market cap is going down, down, and the market volumes are also low, and the Bitcoin dollars is about where it was from my last video. We're seeing overall Bitcoin is below $20,000. That's a Debbie Downer, guys. So wake up out there and don't panic. Dollar cost average and set your ladder buys. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm absolutely setting some ladder buys at this level. Definitely going to be setting ladder buys at starting at 20. Done that. I'll be doing another one at 19.3, another one around about 18,950, and another one halfway down below the purple line and the yellow line here, which is the bottom at 18,224. So if those get filled, happy days. If they don't get filled, happy days, because I'm DCAing like a madman. I am panicking out there. We're seeing that everything is down, down. I guess it's not too funny if you're seeing that your portfolio is bleeding out, but like I said, never invest more than you're willing to lose out there, and absolutely be willing to hold until 2023, 2024, 2025. Who cares what it takes? Wait for life-changing wealth, because we could see that Bitty could be worth $500,000 in the future, guys. So if you want to be rich, guys, you're just gonna have to be patient. If you can't be patient, get out of crypto and go watch paint dry, guys and gals. So that's gonna bring this video to a close. Go down and support the channel. Go to Dogecoin Tippy Jar, Nano Ledger. A link is down there, guys. Buy the channel on coffee. Buy the channel on coffee. Don't forget to get the merch. Get over merch. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to go follow us on Twitter, guys and gals. Help the OG get the Twitter feed. Get us up to 5,000. I would appreciate it. So, guys and gals, that's gonna bring this video to a closing. Once again, do not forget to go back and watch all the videos. Become a member, guys. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Be great, guys. I'll see you. Peace out.